July Greenhouse Garden Tour. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to our greenhouse tour. So let's go. Let me show you what's going on in the greenhouse. Hello, welcome to our July greenhouse tour. Let's go. Let me show you what's going on in the greenhouse. The greenhouse looking great. So let's go. So outside the greenhouse here we have sweet bitter leaves and some herbs over here. You can see the sweet bitter leaves right here on the left, and then on the right here we have water leaf. Water leaf is looking great right there, and we have some onions in the back. So let's go inside and see what's going on inside. So the inside is looking much better than the last tour we had. On the side over here you can see this is sweet bitter leaf that's used for dole and other sauce and stuff like that. Has also some medicinal value, but we mostly use it for like sauce and other stuff like dole. So here's the sweet bitter leaf, and we are growing it in bags. This is a 20-gallon bag, and over there is a 10-gallon bag. So these two right here are 20-gallon bags, and they are doing really well. They're almost ready to be harvested. Doing well. Over here, same thing. We have sweet bitter leaf over here. Over here we have anchia. This is anchia right here, and the anchia, you can look at the leaves of the anchia, huge leaves, and these ones are ready to be harvested. So these and these are in a 10-gallon bag, and it's also doing well. So over here we have, this is our lemongrass from last year that we brought it inside in the winter and then brought it back out. You can see how tall they've gotten, which is ready for them to be harvested. So we're gonna harvest this very soon. And over here we have our peppers. You can see they have ripe one already. Have a couple of ripe ones already, and we have quite a few over here that are getting ripe. You can see right there. And these are some of the hottest peppers in the world. We have scorpion pepper, we have Carolina Reaper, we have ghost pepper, we have habanero. So these are some of the hottest peppers we're growing. You can see it's just getting taller and bigger and producing a lot of flowers. So we're hoping to get a lot of peppers from them very soon. And we have them in like 5-gallon containers, but they're not fully 5-gallon containers because we cut off about a gallon from the top, but they're still doing well. All of them are doing great. Hopefully we get a lot of pepper production from them soon, because pepper loves the hot temperature. That's why we have them up here closer to the roof, and it gets a lot of heat and a lot of sunlight. Over here on this side we have more anchia right here, and this one is sweet bitter leaf. And like I said, they're doing well. They're coming along great. I think these ones still have at least a week or so to harvest. The leaves are still tiny. You can still harvest them right now like this, but I usually let them get a little bit bigger. Sometimes the leaves are as big as this anchia over here. So they're all doing great so far. We have same 20-gallon bags right here, and we have more anchia over here. As you can see, we have more anchia over here, and then over here we have some bell peppers. We have a few bell peppers over here. I don't know if you can see back there, we have a couple of bell peppers that are ready to be harvested back there, but I have 3 containers of bell peppers over here. And then up here we have on this side we have sweet bitter leaf, pecan, and some of these are ready to be harvested. You can see how tall these ones are. These ones over here are all these ones are ready to be harvested. So we're hoping to harvest those pretty soon. So all this side right here is mostly sweet bitter leaf with a few water leaf down there. And same on this side, we have sweet bitter leaf over here and a few water leaf over here. Down here we have water leaf right here, ready to be harvested. Bitter leaf, sweet bitter leaf, ready to be harvested. We have this garden egg that came out from this container. We need to take it out. Hopefully within the next couple of days, I'm gonna see if I can transplant it outside or transplant it into a container. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see it in the container or outside. So over here we have more bitter leaf, and back there we have more water leaf. If you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. So over here in the back we have some peppers. This is still the scorpion pepper, the pepper, so one of the hottest peppers. I just had it back here because the space of the pepper over there is a little bit full. And we also have anchia over here. We have a couple of anchia plants back there, water leaf and sweet bitter leaf over here. Same with up here, we have water leaf. We have some I think this is cucumber just growing out over here. I just decided to leave it in there. But up here we have mostly water leaf, and same with over here. We have water leaf over here and these two containers over here. So on this side we have sweet bitter leaf and water leaf at the end. Same thing. It's a little bit of mixture of water leaf and sweet bitter leaf. That's what we that's what we eat the most. We use the water leaf to cook dish like arrow, and we use the sweet bitter leaf to cook different types of bacon and others, added to other sauce. So over here we have, this is sweet bitter leaf. Behind there we have some Lush sweet bitter leaf over there. Same sweet bitter leaf over here. So these huge plant right here is sweet bitter leaf. So this is the sweet bitter leaf we brought indoors in the winter, and then we brought them back out in the spring. And the goal here is for us to be able to get seeds. You can see it's ready to be harvested, but we're not gonna harvest it because we want it to produce seeds that's gonna help us get more seeds for next year. So this big container right here, it just keeps growing. We're hoping to get seeds from it for next season. So that's why it's just keep going higher and higher like that. So over here we have more water leaf and sweet bitter leaf over here. Down here, same thing, we have water leaf. We harvested some of the sweet bitter leaf already. You can see it's more spacious over here, and over there we harvested the leaves and the tips. So letting it grow again. And so sweet bitter leaf is doing well over here. And down over here we have sweet bitter leaf. We have anchia, some tiny seeds anchia that haven't come out yet. We have water leaf. We have huckleberries. We have some insects just eating through, tiny, very microscopic insects eating the leaves of the huckleberry. So need to figure out something else to. I use neem oil on it, but it has not really sent them away. But I'm gonna look for something else. We used to have some bug begun spray. It's no longer being sold. That was the best to eliminate insects like these, but I haven't seen them this year because it looks like it's not being sold any longer. But we have water leaf over here. So that is about it for the greenhouse so far. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this. Save this video and share with friends and family. And also leave a comment below what you think about the garden, what you think about the greenhouse, what interests you the most about the greenhouse, the various plants that I showed you. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.